This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a new project and choosing a timeline frame rate. Set the frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS before importing any media. Next, set the audio sample rate to 48 kHz in project settings to avoid drift. Import your video and separate audio files into the media pool. Right-click clips and choose Create New Timeline using selected clips to match settings. Enable the timeline view and show waveforms for both audio tracks. Confirm timecode and clip metadata before you begin alignment. To sync, automatically select matching clips, then choose Auto Sync by waveform. Auto Sync by timecode works when both devices recorded matching timecode. For manual adjustments, drag audio on the timeline and listen with headphones. Zoom in until one frame equals visible waveform detail for precise alignment. Nudge audio left or right using comma and period keys one frame at a time. Use the slip tool to shift audio within a clip without moving clip edges. Enable snapping and playhead snap for clean alignment. Scrub through the timeline and check lip sync on several edited cuts. If necessary, adjust audio by 1 to 2 frames for natural speech timing. Use the audio inspector to trim, add fades, and apply -3 dB normalization to peaks. If clips drift over long takes, use clip attributes to change sample rate or retime media. For multicam sequences, sync angles and then switch in the cut or edit page. Export the final video with embedded audio or choose separate stems at 48 kHz for delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.